Today we are going to put together a brand new gaming PC featuring the latest CPU and GPU. We are going to use the RTX 5080 from NVIDIA, and for the CPU we are opting for the Ryzen 7 98000X 3D. To house all this power, we have chosen a case with a fantastic design. We are going to use Phanteks Evolv X2. Right then, let's crack on. For the motherboard, we are using B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi from MSI, and is packed with everything we need to supercharge our gaming PC. It features a blazing fast PCI Gen 5 slot for our graphic card, M2 Gen 5 storage option complete with a heatsink, and is ready for the future with support for 5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7. Plus, it comes with 6 USB Type A and 2 USB Type C delivering 10 gigabit per second. For this PC, we used 32 GB Acer memory RAM, which is 2 RGB 16 GB DDR5 CR30 and is AMD EXPO ready. Now we're going to install our 2TB SSD, which is from Samsung 990 Evolv Plus. To install that is very easy. Make sure you remove the heatsink first. Slide in our SSD card. And from the right side, make sure you lock it. Remove the plastic from the heatsink. And pop it in. Yes, now it's time for our CPU. We used one of the best gaming CPU, which is AMD Ryzen 7 98000X 3D. Our stunning Phanteks case. To open our case from the top, easily from the back, pull it up. We can remove the panel and make sure for the first time you remove 2 screws. One is on top left and top right. After that, pull the glass back. Easy. Phanteks also come with a tiny box, which is include all the screws you need and tie wrap. Cool Master keep our CPU cool. To install that, you need to remove the bracket from the top and install the radiator. Always make sure you remove all the plastics. For our intake fan, we use Interstellar, which is very easy to install. It's a slide-in reverse fan. Just make sure for the bottom you need to have a reverse fan. CORSAIR 850X, one of the easiest power supply. It comes with all the cables you need. It's fully modular and also has got the new cable, which is 12 plus 4 pins for your new GPU. And for our GPU, you need to remove the side, open 2 brackets to install our GPU. Now is the time to put the base back. Easily slide it in on PCI Gen 5 and waiting for the click sound.
Just wanna know what it's like. Just wanna know what it's like. Just wanna know what it's like. Bang.